Hello everyone, so finally we come to the instruction video where you can understand what is actually happening and what will be the purpose of this webinar in our future. Then I will tell everything in detail, so watch this video till end, and if you don't understand then there is no problem, I will. You all know that I give videos in my channel not like anyone else. I give simple tutorial which are useful for a beginner student to learn to draw, and our channel also has separate playlist for you like learn oil pastel, learn watercolor, learn oil painting, learn pencil shading, etc, etc, etc. But learn drawing not enough for practice unless you go for any competition or any examination. So I always say that if you go government fine arts exam, then it will be useful to show this certificate somewhere like any job or any interview in future. So I give daily drawing lesson, but I thought let's do a drawing competition. And with that, we have brought for you a drawing exam in my channel, also a different drawing competition in every month, and I hope you all enjoying, and many of you are give me a comment and support me for doing next. So not only that, we have also brought 2 round event based on B-Days exam. I mean, B-Days means the Bachelor of Designing exam, which was the name is Artist League, and I think this event has not happened anywhere and no one has participated before. Also, our judgment is entirely drawing school based, where there is no like based, only the base subject concept and your base mind concept, your focus, what you draw like a realistic, like a real imagination give you winner. I tried to keep some rewards in this event, so I paid my scholarship money, but it is a really joyful and enjoyment when I hear that when it was useful to someone, and this is a really story I always share to you. But when in a BFA entrance exam, or you can say fine arts theory exam, or anywhere, I realized that even if you do drawing very well, but you are very weak in theory concept, and so I started advanced artist course at free of cost to discussion these details and theory concept very well in the class through Google Meet at every Sunday. Now I understand that whatever I tell you, you just feel some bored like, because this all concept, all declaration about my channel. So what about this webinar? So let's talk about. For as long time I just say something about my channel and overall my channel concept and overall my channel into for you. Now I come to the conclusion that there are occasionally seminar in art college, art institution, where teacher presents some project like through theory concept and the purpose for future, and I would love to attend that. Yeah, really, because the seminar looked grateful for me. But I never thought, I never thought that they will give me responsibility for this presentation and for doing such work. And I was not only interested to hearing this, I start to making my presentation first, and that day come, and you all know that is a 3rd October, this Sunday. So this time I thought I would do it with you and live on YouTube. So I thought I would do it for you as a free of cost and open for all age and also for interested hardcore artists. So I arranged this webinar for all of you, and this is a really a introduction. Now it's over. Now we come to the topic of webinar. What is the topic? We will talk about a separate universe in this webinar where there is logic, argument, and with which the whole world has evolved today, and in which there is an infinite lines format. Here we will discuss where the drawing comes from, how people promoted it, how civilization was formed by it, how it changed and became famous. Also, we will discuss some definition and contribution of some Indian and foreign artists. You can see there some civilization like Harappa civilization and some old age drawing. Then this is the development of the drawing, and you will see that some many Indian artists and foreign artists is the big contribution for that. Now we come to the purpose in future. What is the purpose for this webinar? However, if you ask the purpose of this webinar, I will say that it will not only give the ideas for fine arts exam or BFA entrance exam, it will be needed for the concept clearing for job interview like a designing, interior decorating, etc. And if you look at the art department of foreign university, if you go, if you know about the foreign university, then you will see that this approach is taught there. Now we come to the drawing quiz, because we will not just end this, we will put a drawing quiz here. Now you will say that I have not participated in such drawing quiz before, I don't know what is the drawing quiz and what will be the question asking. So we say that the all question that will be asked in this quiz will be in webinar. You just have to look at the webinar well and understand it. During webinar you will participate in the quiz, and there will be a given option, yes, the option given, and you will select the correct answer. Yes, that is the multiple choice question. Like now the first 5 of those who answer the most correct question will get 2000 rupees and will get a participating certificate, and this certificate for all those who participate in webinar. Now we come to the rules and regulations. So let's start. How to join in webinar. To join this webinar you need to register your name. So you go to the description of this video and you get a registration form link. Click on it and submit your details. Registration date is 27 September to 3rd October before 2 p.m. So must register now. Note, this registration most important for participating in quiz, otherwise you are rejected from quiz. This webinar will be on 3rd October at 7 p.m. You will get a reminder through mail for the webinar 1 hour before. This webinar presenting on Shubhom Dutta art tutorial, my channel in live. So enjoying this webinar but must follow it all for quiz question. Now let's come for quiz details. How to participate in quiz. At 7 p.m. when you join in webinar, you get a quiz link in description. Click on the link and you get the page. Submit your details. Then you will get 20 questions with 4 options, where only one option is correct answer. So carefully answering this question and submit your response with the help of webinar. This quiz valid with duration of webinar. When this webinar will be end, the quiz also be end. If anyone answering the quiz after webinar over, then they are rejected. Note, the final validity of quiz will be given on the day of webinar, so you can easily understand that. How to get reward and certificate. All the participants will get a certificate through mail. The first 5 who give maximum correct answer in short time will get 2000 rupees through bank account, and we will inform them through mail, and they need to be submit their bank details in time. All certificate and reward will be given between 4th October to 5th October. If you want to download this instruction, then there is a link in this video description from where you can easily download this bulletin. Then it is easy to understand for that. So I will end the instruction here by saying that if it is difficult to understand somewhere, you can ask me 1000 times. You can comment, WhatsApp, phone call me. I will try to pick up the phone, because you understand that I am very busy now. Also you know that this project work, how much time taken, and please share this to your friend, those are interested in drawing, because I want to more people to join in this webinar, and there are no doubt this will be the best from my previous event. So must register now and tell your friend and your other guys and please inform them. And thanks for watching, and must attend this webinar. It will be a great experience for your life.